How to make spicy avocado salsa. You will need to have 1 tomato, 1 red onion and 1 avocado, 1 yellow chili and 1 green chili, and some coriander. I will now start by slicing the avocado and then with the help of a spoon remove it all. After that, I'm going to crush the avocado so it becomes almost like a puree. And then I'm going to chop the onion to small pieces. Now we will need to cut the tomato into small pieces. After that, I'm going to slice the green chili and the yellow chili. Now I'm going to slice the coriander into small pieces as well. Then we will need to mix it all together. I'm going to add some pepper. And I'm also going to add some lemon and mix it all together. Just like that, we have now made spicy avocado salsa. Feel free to subscribe to my channel because I will be doing much more cooking videos. Thank you for watching and have a good day.